All right, XRP Army, I don't usually start videos like this, but today I have to. I was screaming from the top of my lungs last night, okay? First target was 243, hit it. Then I came on with another video and said 245, it tagged it to the cent. And then last night I was screaming at 247 that we were going to retest 244. And we didn't retest 244. We actually came down at 245 and we tapped it not once, not twice, but 3 times. And now we are back up to 247. This is the breakout happening, and I was calling it last night. Now let me show you why this is real.
We're still here.
And what
We're
comes
battling
next.
At 247 right now. I tried to tell you at 243. I tried to tell you at 245. Now we're at 247. If we break 247, this is going to push to 260. It's its next resistance level.
So first, let's talk structure. But before we do, I need to tell you, this isn't luck. This isn't hype. However, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. You need to consult a financial advisor and do your own research before investing into any cryptocurrencies. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about the structure. We broke out of that rising wedge cleanly with volume. That breakout candle closed above 245, not just a wick, an actual close. And this is a 1 hour candle, okay? This isn't a 1 minute, this isn't a 5 minute. This is something substantial. Now you can see that when you look at the volume. That breakout candle had more volume than the previous 10 candles. That's not random buyers, that's participation. Now here's the most important part. We held the retest. The price came back, kissed 245 and held it as support. That is a classic breakout confirmation. Now if you take that measured move, meaning the height of the wedge, and then project it from the breakout line, you get a target zone of 260 to 265. That's our magnet. That's where this is being drawn to. Now breakouts are one thing, but sustainable breakouts, that's another thing. And here's why I think this one has backing beyond just the traders. Number one, XRP just became a full tokenization chain. The MPT standard, multi-purpose tokens, is live on XRPL. That means tokenization is native, not smart contract, not an app, it's built on protocol. And get this, fees are still fixed at 10 drops. That's 0.00001 XRP per transaction. Meanwhile, Ethereum could be 2 cents on a good day, or it could be $200 when the network gets stressed. Institutions don't like guessing. They like a fixed cost. So let's cover the second part of this, throughput. XRP can sustain around 1,500 transactions per second on commodity hardware today, and that is confirmed. There's speculation that it can do much more, and they're also working on things to improve that as well. TPS needs to rise, they know that, but it's still the best one that has testing right now. Now let's talk about the money. According to the latest CoinShares report, XRP saw $73.9 million of inflows in a single week last week, while Bitcoin and Ethereum both saw outflows. That's rotation. Even mainstream outlets like Barron's are now acknowledging XRP ETF filings as credible discussions. And if an XRP spot ETF actually lands, market analysts are projecting $1.8 to $8 billion of inflows in year one. Combine all that with rising social dominance on Lunar Crush, and you've got the early signs of attention plus liquidity aligning with structure. So here's where we are right now. We're holding around 247. If we hold this and continue to rise, I'm targeting 260 to 265 next. 270 plus becomes reachable if we break that with volume. If we close back below 245 with heavy sell volume, then price is likely going to fall back down to 238 to 240 and reload and try again. But for now, the structure says continuation, the flows say accumulation, and the receipts, they say I was early. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed the video, please hit subscribe, like, comment, let me know you were here. Make sure you hit the bell in case I have any other, midnight itches to start posting charts again. Again, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is what I am working on. This is what I see, and this is what I am doing. This was very lucrative for me last night. I wanted to share it with you because I thought it was important. Let's pay attention to 247. If we continue to push and continue to rise, we're looking at a very strong breakout, and I can't freaking wait. I've been waiting for this. Peace.